Everyone talks about the cost of washing vehicles. Almost nobody talks about the cost of waiting. But here's the truth. Your fleet doesn't lose money while it's being cleaned, it loses money while it's standing still. When transport companies calculate operating costs, they usually focus on fuel, maintenance, labor, and equipment. These numbers are easy to measure because they appear clearly on financial reports. But one of the most expensive costs rarely appears on any spreadsheet: downtime. Every minute a bus or truck sits idle is a minute it isn't transporting passengers, delivering goods, or generating revenue. Waiting may seem insignificant when viewed one vehicle at a time, but across an entire fleet, those lost minutes quickly become lost hours and eventually lost opportunities. Many operators don't notice this because downtime happens in small pieces throughout the day. A vehicle waits for cleaning, another waits for staff availability, another misses its preferred departure window because operations fall behind schedule. None of these delays seems critical on its own, yet together they reduce productivity across the entire depot. That's why leading transport companies don't see vehicle washing as an isolated task. They treat it as part of a continuous operational flow. A reliable automated wash system keeps vehicles moving according to schedule, allowing maintenance teams, dispatch coordinators, and drivers to work without unnecessary interruptions. The objective isn't simply to wash faster, it's to eliminate waiting wherever possible. At Go&Go, we believe the most valuable minutes in your business are the ones your vehicles spend on the road, not standing in line. Every improvement that shortens unnecessary downtime strengthens the efficiency of your entire operation. Small time savings repeated every day can create significant operational gains over months and years. Businesses that consistently outperform their competitors aren't always the ones with the largest fleets. They're often the ones that make better use of every hour their vehicles are available. How many hours does your fleet spend waiting each week? If you don't know the answer, you may already be losing more than you think. Contact Go&Go today to discover how an automated bus wash system can help keep your fleet moving, productive, and ready for the next journey.